Good morning, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. We're doing our last project for now using the super cool stamp set. And I think the only image I haven't used yet is this pie. So we are gonna make a really cute apple pie card. Perfect for a summer card. Okay, I'm using a half sheet of Real Red. You could use Poppy Parade if you wanted to. And I'm going with a nice red for the summer. And we're going to use Real Red ink. First thing I'm going to do is just stamp a little bit of texture on our background with our pie here. I'm not too worried about the bottom. We'll do one right there, and I think that's probably good. All right, now I have a strip of Real Red. I'm going to stamp a few pies on this. I'm going to try to do one right in the middle, or pretty close to the middle, and then we'll stamp another one on top and another one underneath that. Okay, I think we're done with our red ink. All right, I want to do a little layering. So we are going to take our pie layer and put this on, I think this is Lemon Lime Twist, might be Parakeet Party. I'll post, oh, I have got ink on my fingers. That's okay. Hold on. Let's see if we can get that off. Get those little smudges off with our sand eraser. Make sure you let your ink dry before you start touching everything. That's problem number one. Okay. Anyway, I will post the measurements on my blog, so the link is below for that. And then I'm going to put this on a layer of basic black. Help make that pop just a little bit. And then we are going to just layer this on our card front. And I'm not going to go all the way to the left, but I don't want it centered. So we'll just do that right there. Cute! Okay, let's go ahead and put a white piece on the inside. And then we'll do a little more decorating on the front. Okay. All right, I have a strip of basic black, and I want to stamp this sentiment in Sweet, using Sweet. And then we're going to stamp with Versamark ink. And I'm just going to center it, and then we're going to trim it down to where we need it to be. And let's use a little of our white embossing powder. Doesn't that stamp so nice? I love how these images stamp. All right, let's heat this up. Get that nice and shiny. Right, let's get our paper trimmer. We are just going to trim off a little bit here. A little bit off this side. Okay, perfect. And we're going to pop this up with a couple dimensionals way over on the edges. And I think I'm going to put this between the two pies. And then I have punched out a cherry. Now I said apple. I think I said apple. I want to do a cherry pie. I don't know why I said apple. It could be apple or cherry, but we're going to do cherry today. And I'm going to use just a teeny bit of liquid glue here to put our stem onto our cherry. All right, and then a little bit of glue for our leaf, just right on the tip, using that same green that we have for our layer. And give that just a second to dry. And I think we're going to pop this up as well. I'm just gonna put one dimensional. Let's do one more, just kind of right here to help with that leaf. And we're gonna pop this under. Cute. And then I have a little linen thread. I'm gonna tie a double bow. Cut that in half so we have 2 lengths. Now this is not gonna be a big bow. I probably cut more than I needed, but that's okay. Okay. Pull our loops tight, and then bring this in as small as we want it. I think that's good. And then we'll trim these down just a bit. And grab a glue dot. You could also attach it with some liquid glue too. I'm just going to kind of roll that up a little bit so it's smaller, and put that on the bottom of our stem. Pop that on right there. And then we have some of our in color pearls using our 20, 22, 24 in colors. So it's Parakeet Party, which I'm pretty sure that's the color I used. But you know, you could use Parakeet Party, you could use Lemon Lime Twist, or Granny Apple Green. So whichever color you have, that's what you can use. Okay, isn't that cute? I love this card. That's one of my favorites. The Andy Warhol cards, and then this one. These are my favorites. So I hope you enjoyed today's card as well. And make sure we have our card class is it this coming Thursday? Yeah, I think it is. No, I don't think it is. I don't think it is yet. It's on the 20th. Make sure to check back Thursday, and then on the 20th. My dates are all mixed up this summer. I don't know what day it is. Our card class is on the 20th. We're using the Inked and Tiled suite. So that's going to be a lot of fun. And I will see you soon. Make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And see you Thursday. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.